This arguably is one of the stars of this whole N festival. It is, of course, the RN22e. It's here to prove that electric cars can be fun, and in a way that no other EV has proven before. This is a little glimpse of what Hyundai's doing, and it's a very bright future.
So it all started as a rolling lab vehicle to explore some new technologies for high-performance EVs. One key story is how to manage the torque vectoring. So we have twin-clutch torque vectoring system in the car on the rear axle. Another big area is how to manage the cooling, because track driving with a high-performance EV is not an easy job to do. When it comes to emotional driving experience in a combustion car, we want to bring that same engagement and interaction with the car and driver into a high-performance EV. And I heard already people saying they drove the RN22. Wow, this is the best EV I ever drove.
What was your first impression of the RN22e?
In my eyes, it's just godly. To have it here is just next level, man.
What do you feel like being one of the few people that get to ride this on the track?
I don't know what I've done in the past life to have a go, but look, I'm just thankful.
All right, man, enjoy the ride.
Thanks, dude.
Given the amount of money that manufacturers invest in concept cars and design studies, it's not really surprising they don't let you get very close to them, let alone actually sit in them. But today, I'm driving one. This isn't any ordinary concept or design study. It's an all-electric, all-wheel drive, fully functioning, race-bred machine.
Oh yeah. What?
The R in this concept's name means it's part of Hyundai's rolling lab experimental cars. And the exciting thing about that is the technology it's showcasing will one day make its way into a production Hyundai. And I really hope it does, because this car is absolutely astonishing.
When you first take off, just that torque, it just boom, hits you, and then it just keeps on going. Super hard brakes. Like, it can stop on a dime, man, and then give you some change. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is just sick. It is on its own. Like, you can't, I don't think you can compare it to like a Kona or a Hatch or an i20. It's like the future, man.
Yeah.
It's the future.
How was that?
It's changed the way I feel about cars.
Yeah.
I don't mean just EVs,
Yeah.
all cars.
How was it to drive?
It feels like a race car. Like, it's got all the noise and like the precision and like just the rawness, the hardcore. But it's an EV, and it sounds like nothing else on earth. It's the best EV I've ever driven. And if that's only a concept and like a working prototype, what this thing leads to as a production vehicle, whatever that is, IONIQ 6N, I don't know, is going to change the world. Can we go again? I'm going to be thinking about this car for a very long time.